Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral part. So it is integral of x tan inverse x, right? So here I'm going to use integral by parts maybe twice. Okay, so let's evaluate this integral problem. So I'm going to write this as tan inverse x, right? Tan inverse x times x, right? I know differentiation of x square is what? It is 2x, right? So x is equals to 1 over 2 times this, right? So I can write here 1 over 2 times d over dx. X square it is dx. So since 1 over 2 is a constant, I'm going to take it out. So 1 over 2 tan inverse x times d over dx x square dx, right? I know a formula such that if u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du, right? So similarly I'm going to use this equation to solve here. So 1 over 2 is a constant, 1 over 2 here it is like tan inverse x, right? dv is like d over dx x square, right? So v is like x square, right? So I'm going to write this as x square times tan inverse x minus integral of x square times differentiation of tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is what? It is 1 over 1 plus x square dx. So here there is a bracket, closing bracket. So it is 1 over 2 x square tan inverse x minus integral of x square over 1 plus x square dx. I can simplify this as 1 over 2 x square tan inverse x minus 1 over 2 integral of okay, now I'm going to write 1 plus x square minus 1, right? Since 1 and 1 cancels, and it is this becomes as x square, right? So this is 1 plus x square dx equals to 1 over x square tan inverse x minus 1 over 2. I am considering this as a one term, so 1 plus x square over 1 plus x square, it is what? 1, right? Minus 1 over 1 plus x square dx. So I am going to simplify again. 1 over 2 x square tan inverse x. This is tan inverse x, right? Tan inverse x minus 1 over 2. Differentiation of 1 is what? It is x, right? Minus differentiation of x, integral of 1, right? So integral of 1 over 1 plus x square is what? It is tan inverse x. So see, there is a plus c constant, right? This is a constant, arbitrary constant. So this is 1 over 2 x square tan inverse x minus x over 2 plus 1 over 2 times tan inverse x plus c. So this is the answer for this integral problem. I hope you guys understood what I did here. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.